Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 1st, 2023. Can't believe it's already November. Ain't that far. Thanksgiving coming up very soon. In about 3 more weeks from today, it'll be Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Day. Alrighty. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here. As you can see here is Invest 97L. We're going to be discussing that in today's video. Here's a cold front here moving off the coast here, and there's another, right here, and there's another one ahead of this system. Both of these cold front will continue to move on off to the east. Also, we got some cluster of showers and storms over in there at some time of this systems. But also, like I said, we're going to monitor this one here. This here do have a shot at maybe becoming vents before it moves into Central America. And here is Pilar, right along the Mexican coast, but that will continue to move away and out to sea, so we won't have to worry about that. And we got more scattered activity down across Central America and also across South America as well, and also in the southeastern Pacific Ocean as well. We got another little system here in the upper Midwest moving kind of to the southeast, bringing a little bit of cloud, maybe a little bit of precipitation there, and a little bit over portions of the Great Lakes and on northeastern U.S. as well. We'll take a look at that in today's weather radar view in that department. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Also like these videos, share these videos, and please share these videos and tell your friends and neighbors and relatives about these forecasts. I love to get them out to as many people as possible. Try to show you what's going to happen with the tropics, also what's currently going on as well. So if you can also tell everybody you know, join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. I'm still trying to reach that 600 subscriber mark. That's my next goal. So if anybody out there can help me get to 600, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright. Let's see. Well, we're going to go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. That's pretty much it. We're going to start off with Invest 97L now. Alright. As you can see here is Invest 97L, located just south of the Haiti and Dominican Republic. Also, here's Jamaica over here getting some squally weather off of this system as well. Here's the system right in this location right in here. Got a scattered showers and storms, thunderstorms. Like they're starting to get a little better concentrated. So the more they get, will develop into something tropical. All right. This may be our last tropical system for the season, but we may have one more after this. But I'll be here to monitor all this here to see how many more storms we have. But I'm pretty sure this should be about the last one for the season. Like I said, we might have one more, but I'm gonna go ahead and just be at this time. All right, here is the center rotation of the storm. The computer models is only 3 this time, bringing it into Central America and then out into the Eastern Pacific. So it's not going to do that curve like the way I thought. So we're just going to go across Central America. It's going to stay weak. The more weaker the system is, the more it's going to go into Central America and pretty much just go into the Eastern Pacific Ocean as we look on later on down the road there. Alright, let's take a look at the intensity guidance of this system. As you can see here, it's got about 25 knot winds equal to 30 miles per hour. A lot of the models do take it into a tropical storm. That's why I'm pretty confident this one here may become tropical storm. Vents, the other one had tropical, had a lot of these lines in the tropical storm. It never even formed, but we're going to go ahead and say maybe in the next 12 to 24 hours to 36 hours, it may become a tropical depression and a tropical storm. So I will be back later on and keep you up to date and see what happens in that department. Alright, that's your tropical update. Let's move on to the watches, warning, advisory map. We got a large real estate area of freeze warnings extending all the way up here from Pennsylvania, central and eastern Pennsylvania, through the Carolinas, all the way back into Texas. Also, we have some fire weather red flag warnings in effect for southern Louisiana, all the way through the Panhandle of Florida, southwest Georgia. Special weather statements are also in effect for most of these areas as well. for fire danger statements. Also, we have, let's see, a lake snow warning up here in portions of northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio, because we got a lot of wraparound moisture up here bringing some snowfall to you guys. High wind watch is also in effect for portions of Wyoming. Also, we have areas of dense fog and also air. Is that dense fog or air quality and air stagnation advisory? That's what that is. Excuse me. That's for Montana, Idaho, and portions of Washington State, and also Oregon and southwestern Idaho as well. We still got those hydro issues also in effect for Washington, Oregon State. Hawaiian Chain Island for central and south looks good. North side still got those coastal flood statement. Still got special weather statement for central and north Alaska. Still got those small craft advisory, gale warning around coastal areas of Alaska, and also that freeze and spray warning in effect to the north as well. All right, let's move on to the weather radar across the nation. We're going to start off in the Pacific Northwest. As you can see, we got some shower activity around Seattle or Portland. Also down into southwestern Oregon as well, and also a little bit in the Pacific Ocean. Here's some of that moisture over here around Minneapolis. A little bit of snow flurry, snow shower activity. Also, we got some rain and snow showers up here from Cleveland, Ohio, all the way up to Montreal, Canada. Also got some shower activity over near Boston, Albany, down in New York, also east of Philadelphia as well. All right, we continue to move southbound. Southern United States. Bahamas looks pretty good. Got a little bit in the northwestern Bahamas, right between Bahamas and Florida. Got a little bit of shower activity there as well. And as we head southbound, everything looks pretty good down in the Caribbean Sea as well. All right, we're going to move on to the Climate Prediction Center, 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. All right, as you can see here, we got below normal temperatures extending from Maine all the way down to much of Florida, all the way back west to Alabama, far north is Wisconsin and Michigan. Also near normal temperatures expected for South Florida, Florida Keys, Louisiana, back up to Minnesota. Then we got above normal temperatures extending from North Dakota back to Louisiana, far west of California, also up into Washington, Oregon State. Well above normal temperatures are expected in that region as well, and also down in the southwest U.S. from Arizona back in the portion of Colorado, Kansas, and also portion of Oklahoma and Texas as well. We got above normal temperature for much of Alaska, near normal along coastal areas, and above normal temperatures for the Hawaiian Chain Island. The precipitation over the next 8 to 14 days, we got above normal precipitation in the northeast from Maine back down toward New York State. Dry conditions expected to continue across the southeast. The drought will persist in the southeast. I just want to give y'all a heads up. I would not be surprised the southeastern United States may be going into a severe drought coming up sometime before later on this month and maybe into December, because I do not see much rainfall over the next 16 days across the southeast, and the drought conditions will continue to get worse. We'll have a updated drought monitor tomorrow. We have about 50 to 60% of South Carolina currently under some kind of drought, from dry to moderate drought. Like I said, the severe drought will start popping up on the map as well. You'll see that probably in the next maybe in the next run here on the next cycle coming out either this Thursday or next Thursday one. You will see a severe drought start popping up in South Carolina at the abnormally dry, and also the moderate drought will continue to drop southward, pretty much from Aiken to Columbia to about Myrtle Beach northward. You're pretty much in the dry to moderate, but that will continue to drop south. I would not be surprised to see from Aiken to Orangeburg, maybe over toward Charleston, and north of there, you may be in the abnormally dry range there. And then maybe the following Thursday, you may go into a moderate drought as the dry conditions continue to shift further and further south. That's why I said below normal precipitation expected over the next 8 to 14 days as well. All right, and also we're expecting more below normal precipitation over here in the Pacific Southwest, over here in portions of New Mexico, Arizona, back into Utah. Got above normal precipitation in Texas, all the way up into portions of Minnesota, South Dakota. Same over here in Washington and down in California. Near normal precipitation expected elsewhere in the gray shaded color. Alright, we got above normal precipitation in the north, central, just slightly below that, near normal precipitation. Central and south, above normal. The Hawaiian Chain Island is pretty good. Got near normal on the south side, about middle way to the coastal areas there, near normal precipitation. Alright. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday afternoon, folks. And I will, if I can think about it, tomorrow I will show the drought monitor. And tomorrow, either Friday 1, I might show it Friday. So that way you get to see what I'm talking about in the new drought monitor. Alright, well, have a wonderful Wednesday afternoon, folks. Take care.